Good morning. Today I thought I would cook a skillet hash brown black bean scramble for breakfast. So we'll see how this goes. I've got to move the camera here and show you my ingredients. And I've got my skillet heating up right now. So let me show you the ingredients. So here I've got some mushrooms, some of this blend that has celery, yellow onion, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and parsley flakes. I'll probably put in some spinach and kale. I've got some hash browns, some tofu, some black beans, my oil for my skillet, some garlic powder, smoked paprika, and minced onion. This is the first time I'm using this skillet on this new Coleman stove. It's all heated up. So I added about a tablespoon or two of oil. It's kind of hard to control it. I'm just going to take my spatula here, and this pan is pretty well seasoned already. So I'm just going to spread that oil around. So to the skillet, I added my hash browns, my veggies, and my mushrooms. And now I'm going to wait until they get a little crispy because they were frozen. Then I'll add my tofu, my black beans, and my seasoning. So while we're waiting for that to crisp up, I just wanted to check in with you. How you having a day? Is your day good? Is it going all right? Or if you're watching this at night, did you have a good day? I hope you like this recipe. It's just a throw together meal, pretty quick and easy. If you don't like tofu, you could always, scramble up some eggs and add all of your ingredients to the scramble as you cook, and I think it would be delicious that way too. At this point, I think I'm going to crumble in some of my tofu because I want that to crisp up as well. So I just crumbled in some tofu. I like to use the extra firm tofu, and it will take on the seasonings that you put in there. It's really just a texture thing, and you got to squeeze out the excess liquid. And I learned this trick from Derek Sarno. He's a chef, a whole food, plant-based chef that I like to follow. Vegan chef, whatever you want to call him. He does use oil. And when I first started eating this way, I did not eat oil. But now I've relaxed my diet a little bit, and I add oil if I feel like it. So you don't have to use oil. But I'm just going to let that sit in there and crisp up a little bit. And then I'll add the rest of my seasonings and some black beans to warm them up. And also my spinach and kale. Man, I wish you could smell this. It smells so delicious. I added a nice scoop of black beans, and now I'm going to stir those into the mix here. And pretty soon I'm going to be ready for my spinach and kale mix. I don't know if you can see that. I just took my seasonings, my garlic, my minced onion, and my smoked paprika, and I just sprinkled it all over the top. Now I'm going to stir it up, and pretty soon we will have breakfast. I added a good couple handfuls of spinach and kale mix because that's going to cook right down. Here's my skillet hash all ready to go and ready to be plated up. Before I eat, I'm going to add a little drop of water to this and scrape up the bottom of the pan with a plastic scraper so that I can clean up easier when I'm done. But voila! There it is. Let's give it a taste. It just smells so delicious. I don't know if you can see this, but let's give it a taste. I wasn't even hungry when I started this video, but now it smells so good. The onions are still crunchy. The potatoes are cooked just right. Tofu adds a little texture to it. I've got some crispy bits here that I scraped off the bottom of the pan for flavor. So good. I hope you enjoy it. You can never mess up a plant-based meal, I don't think. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.